God. Hey. Stay still. Stay. I said stay still. Sorry. Game. Please. Don't move. Don't move. Hey.
Excuse me. Hey, I'm in school. We'll call later. Bye.
Shit. What kind of a game is this? What does it matter if the ball is in or out?
Hey.
Emergency. Just a phone call, please.
I'm going to squeeze you. We use a knife only to attend this call. Sack.
Arnold,
Tell me, sir.
where the hell are you?
I'm squeezing juice.
Juice?
Boss, do you want me to squeeze his kidney or remove his juices?
Hey, don't kill him, man.
I have just broken his hands and legs now.
Then how will he sign, you idiot?
I just removed his left hand, which is of no use of us. His right hand is all good for signing.
Oh, all right.
Hey, he won't run. I'll take my notebook with you.
What kind of a bullshit lawyer are you?
Sir.
Don't you know you need a caveat before a stay?
Sir,
a lawyer
please
needs to
listen.
know the law or the judge. You're not neither.
Sir,
Hey, what bullshit
sir.
is this? No,
Sir,
you're not
please
fit.
listen to me, sir.
You send
Sir.
the case papers now.
sir.
Hello.
Hello?
You said just one call and doing the third call now.
The calls might be 3. The issue is 1.
Whatever it is, just give back my phone.
It's vacation time, right? A bugger got a stay, Arnold hit him, he's in hospital. A serious issue. Hello?
I don't care about all this. Give the phone.
Yes, boss?
Arnold!
Hey,
Arnold is online. What? Hello, Arnold. You tell the lawyer to send the case
excuse
papers.
me. Kindly give the phone to me. Don't you have the basic manners? Will you give the phone or not?
All right, what's your problem? You need this phone, right?
Yes.
Take it.
Why did you break it? Do you know how expensive is that?
How expensive can it be? You need manners, right? Take your manners now.
Rascal.
What happened, Mummy?
One rascal just broke my phone and went.
Did you leave him like that? You have to break his jaw, no? I'm gonna sue him.
Hey, Shivani.
Mom, is that your phone?
Yeah. So, this is his phone?
Oh my God, what you have done?
Oh, bloody headache in your school, man. Can't take a call.
It's him.
Is that him? He's my friend Akash's father. He's a big hero, Mom.
Uh-huh.
Hello?
Hey Akash, where have you gone? I asked you to introduce your father, no? Just come to the food court with your father. I'll take my mother and come.
My dad? For what?
Who is it?
Just a minute. Dad, you should never ask who's that, what happened. You should never interrupt. That's not the right way. You should follow some manners. Shivani, my father's not in the right mood. I'll call you later. Bye.
He's a big hero. You literally made him mood out, Mummy.
Sorry.
Don't ask sorry to me. First go and buy a new mobile phone and say sorry to him.
Okay.
Dad, if you don't mind, can I turn off the song? Dad, are you angry with me?
No.
I know you're angry. It's okay, Dad. If I don't teach you this, you'll be repeating the same in other places too. Then what will they think about you?
What will they think?
They'll think of you an mannerless man.
Manners?
Yes, I didn't like the song, but they asked you the permission to turn off the song, right?
Uh-huh.
See, that is manners.
I thought manners is to phones only. It applies to radios too. What the hell is with this manners? So if I play this song now, you won't mind? They didn't have no bloody idea what song to play when. They need to be taught some manners first. Hello?
Boss, Velayam has already signed it. Shall I break his other hand also?
He has signed it, right? Let him go.
That's not it, boss. As he has signed it for us, if he signs for the other guy also, that's why I'll remove his hand which he has signed with as it is. Because when I'm coming, I should not come with empty hand. That's why.
All right then. Break it. Hey, I'm busy now. I'll talk later.
What nonsense, busy. Because someone is not signing, you're breaking his arm. Here I am signing and breaking my arm. I have told you 1,000 times. Transfer everything to your name and you'll start signing all these check leaves.
The bank keeps complaining that every sign on every check is different and sends it back. Bloody imbeciles. Hey,
Tell me, boss.
I told you I'm busy.
Who's on phone?
Boss, hello?
Hold the line.
Okay.
Dad, when someone's conversing on phone, you shouldn't be asking who and what. Don't you have any manners? Where's your London education? It's fathers like you who spoil sons like me. So said a great man. All right, go on.
Great man. Huh?
He's not a great man, Grandpa. I told him that.
I felt happy. Bloody happy that he has become wise. Not yet.
I was talking to Shivani on the phone. He asked me who's talking. I roasted him for manners. That's what he's repeating.
Very good. So you have started advising your father. This is why I asked him to leave all this work and be with you through the vacation. So only then this, the one that
Understanding?
Yes.
Why, Grandpa? Are you trying to spoil my happiness?
Why, my boy?
Why do you want to have a son like this?
What does he lack, man? He's a king.
Do you know what your king does in front of our principal?
What did he do? Our school is proud because of your son. At national level, he has been selected as the best student. The award function is in Pondicherry. Akash, I am very proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
For vacation classes, which course are you going to join?
Music.
Karate.
Music.
Karate.
Karate not needed, Dad. Music is enough.
So what, son? Join both. You can be a kicking singer or a singing kicker. What's up?
Yes. What is the fees for both the courses?
60,000 only, sir.
That's all. Pay it. Oh, bloody stupid fellow. He is shameless fellow. Everyone in the school saw that bloody underwear, is it?
Not only that. All my school friends are teasing me. You're also wearing same underwear like your father. They are lifting my trousers
Oh
too.
my God, your pride is also gone.
Not only that. Do you know what happened at the bakery?
What happened there?
Akash, your grandfather has not come today?
No.
Who is he? Your new driver? Sir,
Which
don't hit
driver
me, sir.
you
Please,
saw
sir,
looks
please,
like
I'm
me?
sorry,
Huh?
sir.
What do you
I'm
think
sorry,
of
sir.
yourself?
Sir,
Hey,
please.
did I ask you
Please
about your
don't hit me,
opinion?
sir. I'm
Whether I was a
sorry,
father
sir.
or a driver?
I did not know that, sir. Sorry, sir.
Hey! You bloody shit!
This is what I was wondering about. What bakery expenses, what auto expenses, I was wondering. It is not a miscalculation. It is a misdeed by your father.
Correct. He's always doing like this. That day, Rocky brother also brought some rowdies to the school. Father also joined it and kicked them inside
Hey,
the school.
Arnold.
Hey, your father is
I can't come, da. My son is getting an award. I have to go to Pondicherry for that.
Grandpa, is he coming to Pondicherry?
Oh my God, if he goes to Pondicherry and creates trouble, the whole secretariat will shake. My dear, the CM is a close friend of mine. Oh,
Grandpa,
nonsense.
I'm not going with him. I'm ashamed. He'll behave disrespectful way. I'm not going with him.
Pondicherry is just here. I've asked Devadas to come. He will take care of it. The trip will be very safe.
Award is being given to my son, and I need to see it. Not a driver or gardener. Well, you were the one who advised me to stay with my son during leave, to gain his affection.
How will he be affectionate? Huh? How will it happen? I asked you to be with him, do the things he likes. But you're dumping everything you like on him. He wants to join music class. But you asked him to join also karate class, which he doesn't like.
Well, Dad,
Should he also become a rowdy like you? Don't mistake me, listen to me. Akash feels shameful to call you father. Hey,
Just stop here.
Where is the air leaking from? Is it punctured?
Hey, why are you hissing, man? Why so late?
You are only late. You didn't go home?
Where will I go? You said you'll be here by 10 and you're
Hey,
not.
it's not 10 yet. It's just 3 o'clock.
Hey, you said night 10 o'clock. It's 3 a.m.
hey Rakappa.
Boss,
What is all the noise?
it's your noise. No, Devadas is here, boss.
Hey, what is that you are carrying?
That's my sister Kalyani.
Huh?
My boss asked me to get. He was not feeling good.
Okay, blood buddy, stop. Hey,
Boss?
pay the auto and ask him to leave.
Sure. boss.
Devadas, clean the car.
Okay, boss.
Excuse me. Why should I clean his auto?
Hey, idiot. He didn't say the auto. He asked you to wash the car. Gotta go to Pondicherry.
Pondicherry again. I just came from Pondicherry. You
Oh
told
my
earlier I
god.
must stay
It's a
there
waste
itself.
of time talking with you. Take this, man.
What's this, 100 rupees?
Show me. Yeah, it is.
Balance?
Have it yourself.
Balance, you have to give me.
Huh?
It's total 6,000 rupees.
6,000 bucks? Hey, did you buy his auto?
Hey, his auto no one will take his scrap. Why will I buy his auto?
Hey, just from bus stand to here, you want
I've
6,000
not
bucks?
come from the bus stand to
Huh?
here. I all the way from Pondicherry have come
What?
here.
Hey, will anyone get auto from Pondicherry to here?
Yeah, I have come.
Hey, you, just because your name is Devdas, you'll be in booze for 24
Hey,
hours?
it's a sin to drink if your name is Gandhi. If your name is Devadas, not drinking is a sin.
And you'll be no more then. Hey, I'll come to you. Even though from Pondicherry to here, you charge 6,000 bucks?
No. From Pondicherry to here is only 3,000 rupees. Going back from here to Pondicherry, the balance 3,000 is for that.
Okay, man. 6,000, right? Yeah, have this. I will come with you for
Hey,
Pondicherry.
why are you going to Pondicherry?
Anyway, he's going back there, right? I don't want the money to go vain. I'll go with him. Come on.
Hey
man.
Rakappa,
Boss.
what is all the noise?
Here I come, boss. Hey, security.
Tell me, sir.
Better you go with him to Pondicherry.
For what?
Anyway, the auto is free, right? I don't want my boss money to get vain.
Okay.
I'll never let it go.
Okay.
Okay, you go
Then
there.
how do I come back?
Get the same auto and come back here.
Fill faster. They're going to increase the petrol prices. By how many paisas they increased today?
You should not ask all those things.
Hello?
Akash, have you started moving?
Yeah, we have started. Devadas uncle is filling up the diesel.
Then you're not going with your dad? I said you to go with your dad, no?
I'm going along with my dad.
How much ever you insult him, he have accepted to come with you, no? He's very great.
Who is so great?
The person who broke his phone because of you.
I said we'll get a new phone, right? We'll give it.
Hello?
Have it.
Okay, I'll call you later.
Boss, give me the key. I'll
Hey,
drive.
you're smelling. Move out.
It's not an issue, boss. I had little fever, so I had pepper with brandy. That's all.
Brandy for fever. When will you have water then?
I'm not sick yet to drink normal water, boss.
Move out, you idiot.
Hello?
What is it, Rocky?
Boss, Mudichur Selvan, right? He promised to sell us the land and now he's refusing. He blames his brother for that.
Where the bloody hell was his brother when he signed the agreement?
Should ask this question to his father.
That's my shoelace. You speak on the phone.
Boss, I don't know about that. Just come here for 10 minutes, everything will be okay.
Dad!
Oh, you bloody imbecile.
Did you call me, boss?
I told you I'm taking Akash to Pondicherry.
Boss, if you're not here, we will lose the advance. Just for 5 minutes, boss. It's just on the way.
Boss, you can go to the spot. I will take Akash and go to Bombay.
Bombay? It's Pondicherry, you...
Tell me clearly, boss.
Hello?
Akash, did you reach the place?
What to say? We are still in Chennai.
Why?
Suddenly my dad got a business deal.
What business deal while traveling?
As usual, fighting only. It's his main business now. He said he'll be back in 5 minutes. It's almost 2 hours from now. Hey, business started. It will be over in 5 minutes.
No, brother.
Remove the
He's the
bloody
reason for
coolers.
everything. My father had such a son in another marriage. I had no clue about it, sir. Suddenly he's coming and telling that I am his younger brother and he's not allowing me to sell that land.
Hey, who called who? My mother loved your father and lived with him. It is only your mother who did all this.
Hey!
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 Hey! What the bloody hell do I care? Sign the document. Hey, Das, you idiot.
We reach Pondicherry so soon. You're too fast, boss.
Dad, you don't need to get dressed. Already 2 hours gone.
Hey, don't you worry, we'll be there on time.
Then we should go by helicopter.
Hey, Rocky,
Call me, boss.
Did you call me, boss?
I need a chopper right away.
For what, spraying medicine?
Hey, for the small boss to play. Where do we have a fancy store here? Buy a small one and he can play with that.
Bloody buffalo.
You? Oh my God.
Idiots.
Hey,
Huh?
have a chopper come and pick us up. We need to go to Pondi soon.
Then this is not Pondicherry.
No, Velachery.
Careful.
Boss, you just get a helicopter. I will be the driver for that also.
That's not a driver.
Ah.
It's called pilot, uncle. Hello?
Did the function begin?
We haven't reached there. We are still in ECR.
Already it's late. Hereafter you wanna go, you just have to fly.
We are going to fly. That's why my father arranged helicopter.
An helicopter? Really?
Boss, the helicopter has arrived.
Hey, Arnold brother brought helicopter. I'll call you later.
Mummy, Akash father is taking him through helicopter. Such a lucky boy, no?
Such a lucky boy, no? Yeah, his dad can even send him in a rocket.
Hey, Arnold, me and boss are waiting here. Can you see us?
Arnold brother.
Who is calling me at this time and irritating me? Boss, Arnold is calling us.
Hello, boss?
Hey, Arnold. Hey,
Tell me.
Arnold, land the helicopter here.
I'm just coming
Hey,
there.
Arnold, land the helicopter here. Just switch off that fan and talk to me. We have to land here. Where are you going? Boss, he's leaving us here and going to Pondicherry alone. Hey, come this side.
I'm coming there only. That way only.
No. You're going elsewhere. You have to come here. Hey, Arnold. Don't go that side. Come here.
Careful! Move out! Hey, you!
Hey, why do you have come in this vehicle?
Not bad, this is a good idea too.
Boss, we asked him to get a helicopter. He got us a mortuary van. Hey, this vehicle is used for
I
picking
should
dead
have got a
bodies.
fish cart for you. Right now to go very fast and without stopping, this is the best vehicle for that. No traffic signal, no police interruption. We can reach there as soon as possible.
Don't keep talking, idiots. Get in the vehicle.
Okay, boss.
Come, Akash.
Dad, I'll sit in the back.
All right.
Hello.
Akash, did you board it in a helicopter?
Oh, yeah. We are now flying.
With whom?
Me?
I'm Arnold Rangaswamy.
Das, as in Devdas.
But we don't get signal on a helicopter, right? So you haven't go up.
We are trying to fly with somebody who's already taken off.
Okay, Shivani, I'll call you later.
Madam, body is visible. Hey, what are you thinking? I'm talking about this body. Cover his face. Tell me, how did he die?
He swallowed the SIM card.
Then what happened?
Fearing the government, he swallowed the Aadhaar card also.
Correct.
Tell me, why did he swallow his Aadhaar card?
Hey, they are asking to link Aadhaar with everything, right?
Ah, whom is she trying to reach? Her husband has just expired. Whom are you trying for?
Cell phone company only.
For what?
He swallowed the SIM card. No, I have to cancel it, right? Otherwise, every month we'll get the
That
bill.
is also correct.
Look what a wife he has got. Oh, stupid.
Hi. Hi.
Welcome, Miss Kalyani.
Thank you. Hi.
Priyanka Chopra.
What do you mean by that?
Priyanka Chopra, man.
She's not Priyanka
I
Chopra.
just meant she's an actress like Priyanka Chopra.
I want to see the actress from there.
All right, come on.
Ma'am, just a question, ma'am. Just a question, ma'am. Kalyani, are you in love with someone? It's viral in social media now.
Yes, true that I am in love with one person.
Is he related to cinema, madam?
No, he's a businessman. Widower, he's having kid.
Come
Hey,
over
just move
here,
from there,
Akash.
man.
Don't push around in the way.
Hey,
Just leave
move,
a
man,
way.
just move, man.
Hey, just
Excuse
leave
me.
us the way.
Excuse me.
Leave us the way.
I'll have to climb up on the car and
It's
only
too
see her.
crowded. Let's go through the car.
Dad, this is her car.
So what? Let's go.
That is also a good
That's
idea.
also right.
After marriage, you will be acting, ma'am.
Will your future husband allow you to act, madam?
He is always staying with me only.
She's right, I think.
He's a big businessman, Magnety Rangasami's son Bhaskar, right?
Madam, let Sir also come. We'll go together.
Okay.
Sir, just a minute. We just got the news about your relationship with Kalyani.
Kalyani?
Hey, they're asking about the Kalyani matter.
How does he know that?
You don't worry about anything. Don't fear for that.
Why should I be
Can
scared?
tell them.
Yeah, I know her, of course.
Since when do you know her?
Huh?
Since when do you know her, I asked.
For a long time, actually.
When did all this start?
Well, after my wife passed away, I started talking to her.
If he's not feeling alright, he used to ask me to get Kalyani. Even if it is middle of the night, I'll get it from wherever possible.
When is your marriage?
You already decided. Why ask him again and again? Go, man. Let's go, boss.
He's saying he has already married her.
Is it a secret marriage?
VIP call sound.
Dad, you're not supposed to sit on the stage. Get down.
No, you both of you should sit on the stage with madam only.
Come, Akash.
Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Akash.
Okay.
Good evening and welcome to all. We are honored to welcome the best actress, Miss Kalyani,
take a
for
selfie
inaugurating
with you?
this
Yes, of
program.
course.
We really take pleasure in welcoming Miss Kalyani here. The inaugural address by our chief guest, Miss Kalyani.
Good evening, everybody. First thing I like to say, it's a huge pleasure for me to be here and distributing the prizes for all the winning students this evening.
Hello.
Hey, you are in TV now.
I
Really?
also want to congratulate
I'm with actress
all the
Kalyani now.
staff, all the
We took
employees
selfie
who have
together, you
been
know.
Part of this
Now,
journey.
finally, we've got an answer to who's getting married to actress Kalyani. It's been
All
long, but
right,
there were
your
lot of
father is going
speculations
to
as
get
who
married
he's getting
with
married
actor
to,
Kalyani,
or
it
whether she
seems.
was in a living
I am very happy to congratulate the parents of achieving
Who
students.
told you?
They said it on TV. First, take your phone and watch the news.
So much resources which helps you. See, your hero exactly catched a heroine. Poor that heroine. This reminds me so much of my school days. This I have so much of satisfaction.
Yes, I know her, of course.
When did you shoot this, star?
It's not a video, it's TV news.
Finally, what we have
TV
got to
news,
hear
is
is
it?
that actress Kalyani is getting married to Bhaskar, who's the son of renowned industrialist Mr. Rangaswamy. There are also news that actress Kalyani is in a secret relationship with the son of the industrialist Mr. Rangaswamy.
I don't know what to do with him. Rangasamy, son of Rangasamy, son of Rangasamy. My name is also with that.
Shall we give a sorry news in the newspaper?
That I should declare. Industrialist Bhaskar is not Rangasamy's son. Hey, only to do this mean job, you took all these monkeys all the way to Pondicherry, huh? Attend it.
Hello?
Hello, Bhaskar sir is there? I'm actress Kalyani ma'am's manager here. She would like to talk to Mr. Bhaskar.
Not right now, sir. He's busy getting scolding from his father just because of you.
Who is that?
Listen, boss, when someone is in phone call, just don't do any enquiries. It's not a good manners to do that. That was said by little boss.
Hello.
Hello, I'm actress Kalyani here. Why you have lied so much and made my name so bad?
You see, I'm not Bhaskar. I'm Bhaskar's father, Rangasamy. There was a small error happened there. There is also a beer available in your name, no? He has spoken only about that. The media and other people did not understand that properly.
Now what is the use talking about that? Whomever is going to marry me, he had mistaken me and broke up with me for this marriage.
You don't worry, ma'am. Your marriage will not stop because of this. I will get you married to him. That is my responsibility, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
You should take a strong decision like that.
A big boss is really brainy, right? Boss, Kalyani has a great background. His mom is Muslim, his father is Punjabi, and his brother is Christian. Kalyani is Pakka Hindu.
The whole family is national permit,
Yes,
boss.
of
Our
course.
house daughter-in-law should be like that only.
Yeah.
I'll kick and smash your face in.
You beat them later, not now, okay? First, what you should do is go meet the bridegroom, fall on his feet, and explain what happened. Then get them married.
Hey, we should try to search all over and break his hands and legs.
Correct,
No.
you stupid fools! First, break this guy's legs and arms, and then you leave.
Hey, come. They came.
Bhaskar sir, can we know the reason why you're having this sudden meet with Siddharth?
Mr. Bhaskar, you came to meet Mr. Siddhartha, who was also an ex-boyfriend of Miss Kalyani, and also he is entrance between you and Kalyani's relationship.
I'll bring Siddharth along and then answer your question.
Mr. Bhaskar has come here to request Mr. Siddharth to sacrifice Kalyani to him. Will Siddharth would be willing to sacrifice Kalyani to Mr. Bhaskar or not? We'll come to know within few minutes.
15% growth over the last year.
Sir,
Yeah.
Mr. Bhaskar has come to meet you.
I'm not interested.
Sure, sir.
Mr. Stephen, your performance should coordinate
What?
along with Mr. both of
Excuse
you,
me,
sir.
sorry. My name is Bhaskar.
Hey, you!
I didn't come for me. I came for your sake. The name of the beer I drink and the name of your lover are the same.
I don't need your
there's
explanation. Get lost.
Siddharth, sir.
I said get lost. Rascal.
Wicked on weakness, I'm not gonna give up. Cause I'm a bad rascal, I'll chop off your head.
No. Hey, why are you hitting me?
The prime headlines now. A new twist in actress Kalyani's love affair. The actress's current love interest walks into her ex-boyfriend's office and manhandles him.
Come on, you
move.
idiot.
Hey, let me cover it.
Stop this or I'll break the cameras.
Siddharth is dead now.
Let's listen to what our reporter, Sriram, who's at Siddharth's office, has to say about this right now. Can you just throw some light about what is happening
What
here right
foolishness
now?
is
Many
this?
of us will not get a chance to see this kind of fights in the movies. But here in Siddharth's
I told
office,
you
we are
nice
seeing
that
the
you would
live
listen.
fight
Hey,
here.
more.
Mr. Bhaskar has get him and brought him from the office room. This is on behalf of Gossip TV, along with cameraman Raghav, yours, Sriram.
I'm the only one who he hasn't hit.
There must be a good reason when your father beats somebody. You and your grandpa is always misunderstanding him. Hey Akash, is this your mom? When is the marriage for your father and your new mother? Hey, if you wanna ask something, go ask to Akash father. Akash, you just go. Are you a big Marico? Stop, man! Just take off your hand from me. What if I don't do? I'll make you do. Huh? Ah! Hey, go, let's go. Leave me, Akash. Just leave me. Just leave me.
Please come, Bhaskar. We are waiting for you and Shivani's mother.
Why? What's the matter?
What happened? Look at my son. He has hit him and broken his nose.
Why did you hit him?
Arrogant. Does she behave like a girl? See what I do.
Please, madam. Speak up, boy. Why did she hit you?
My son didn't do anything. She only came and hit him.
Why would someone hit unnecessarily? Did you do something wrong?
She made the mistake, but you're coming and asking him?
Madam,
Uncle, he only brought every one of us together to tease Akash.
so what did he tell you?
He teased that when you're going to get married with actress Kalyani. I said him no, but he twisted my hand. For that only I knocked him.
So for that, will you go and hit a boy?
No.
You don't have a father, no? You'll be like this
Madam.
only.
Hey! Very good. I appreciate this. Strike back when someone hits you. That's what she did. It doesn't matter whether the father or mother is alive. What we teach the children is what matters. You didn't educate him properly. That's why you ragged her.
Correct. What Bhaskar sir is saying is correct. Shivani did not do any mistake. Problem solved. All of you go back to the class.
All right then. Beautiful.
Daddy!
Ah,
Daddy!
what's up?
Daddy! Thank you, Daddy.
I wish I had a daughter like you. Listen, even if Akash does some mistake, you should react like this, right?
Okay, Dad. Thank God Mama didn't come here. If so, she definitely changed my school after this incident.
Don't worry about that. I'll talk to your mother, okay?
Then I'll be taking my mama to Skywalk tomorrow. Will you join us?
All right.
Promise?
Promise.
Who is a crazy bugger who broke this costly phone?
What bothers you who broke?
That's right. Whoever has broken, what's for me? Baby is talking very well.
Shivani, just go there and wait. Go.
Do you want the same kind of phone? We have more models than this.
Just listen. Give me what I want.
Okay, just hold it.
Shivani, come. Hey!
Sorry.
Hey!
Hey!
Idiot! Scoundrel! Bloody goose! Don't
Shivani!
Hey,
What's wrong with you?
Hey.
Come,
Leave me,
What
Mummy.
happened,
Shivani,
girl?
leave.
Mental?
I am not a mental. Your mother is a
Shivani.
mental.
Shivani!
Just leave me, Mummy.
Shivani!
Just leave.
Hey, whatever I did, your mummy is enjoying, right? Why you are screaming?
Shivani! Bloody idiot.
Hello everyone. Today we are here to speak about Benelli. Benelli is an international automobile brand which was developed in 2005, which is owned by Queen Jan Motorcycle, a Chinese company owned by Greeley Holding Group. Originally founded in 1911 in Paris, Benelli is the second oldest Indian motorcycle company still in existence. Design, development, and
What's wrong?
marketing activities
You're angry
are
that I
carried
didn't
out
fight with
by
those people.
Benelli, QJ
Okay, how come you're using bad words? Where did you learn all this?
You're bothering me about speaking bad words. Don't you disturbed about his behavior?
What's the use in worrying? You saw right. Everyone was staring at us. Did anyone ask what's wrong? This is our society.
Which possibly makes the oldest of Italian
have it.
factory in operation. After losing her
So according to the rowdy's words,
the
you're
winning
believing that I
Teresa
enjoyed it, right?
Benelli invested all of the family capital into the business in the hope of success. Okay, don't cry. I'll ring. Engineering in Switzerland. Initially, the business had 6 employees in addition to 5 brothers working. In Britain, it was just a Benelli carriage which repairs bicycles and motorcycles, but was already able to produce all the spare parts needed.
What you're looking at? You thought without knowing I touch her? Knowingly I touch her.
You think I've done it in a mistake? I just wanted did it, scoundrel. Mommy! Shivani! Mommy! Mommy! Exit stop!
Bhaskar sir, why are you hitting them?
You idiot! Ask him first.
Why did he hit you?
Ask him why he hit me.
Who the bloody hell did
Hey, stop!
No,
Ask me, I will tell you. Partha Shardi from Triplicane, how are you doing? These rowdies were teasing that mother and child for a long time. This gentleman came and gave whatever they wanted. He was just washing them to the drain. Then, where are they?
No, please stop. See, he unnecessarily created a drama out of this issue. Fighting in the public may be a small issue for him, but why should he pull us into this?
Now also he is scolding Akash father only. You are not getting tensed on the people who teased us.
You are the reason behind this. Why did you pour the milkshake on him?
Then what else I should do? Why are you being scared of them?
I'm not scared of them. I'm worried about you. I was also like you only. I used to turn angry for everything. Because of that anger only, I lost your father.